Hello friends, in this video lecture I will talk about the different portions of a plant cell. A plant cell can be divided into two portions. So a cell, plant cell, first we will divide this plant cell into two portions. The outer covering is the cell wall, and below the cell wall the structure, the entire structure is called protoplast. So the cell can be divided into two portions. The cell wall, this is the non-living portion of the cell. The outer rigid covering of the plant cell is the cell wall, which is non-living, and it is the protoplast. This is the living portion. So protoplast can be defined as a cell without cell wall is called a protoplast. Means if we remove the cell wall, we will get protoplast. The protoplast again can be divided into two portions. The outer covering of the protoplast is the plasma membrane. The outer covering is the plasma membrane, and what we get below the plasma membrane is the protoplasm. We know about the plasma membrane. In animal cell, the limiting membrane, the limiting layer is the only plasma membrane, and below the plasma membrane, this is the protoplasm. The plasma membrane is the living portion. This is the living portion of the cell. Why the plasma membrane is living? Because it grows with the cell. Plasma membrane is living because it grows with the cell, and it repairs itself. It repairs itself, and also it has a response. It gives response to changes. So for this reason, the plasma membrane is the living portion of the cell. And next, this portion is the protoplasm. The protoplasm is also the living portion. The living portion of the cell. Protoplasm is called the physical basis of life. Protoplasm is the physical basis of life. It includes, so under protoplasm comes the cytoplasm and nucleus. We know the term protoplasm is coined by J. Perkins, the physical basis of life, and this protoplasm includes cytoplasm and nucleus. So here I write the cytoplasm. Under protoplasm, we will get the cytoplasm and nucleus. So this nucleus, one of the organelles, the master organelle of the cell, and now we will divide the cytoplasm. We will see the different portion of the cytoplasm. First, so make me to define what is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a translucent portion of the cell. So it is translucent. It is semi-fluid in nature, translucent, semi-fluid, and jelly-like substance that includes cytosol, organelles, and inclusions. So what we get inside the cytoplasm, the three substances, three portions, that is one of the cytosol, the second organelle, and inclusions. Will get inclusions inside the cytoplasm. So first I will define. So under cytoplasm we will study about the cytosol, then organelles and inclusions. So what is cytosol? The cytosol, it is also called hyaloplasm, and also called cytoplasmic matrix. The cytosol is a clear, transparent crystallocolloidal solution. Colloidal solution of different chemical substance. Solution of different chemical substance. It has 90%. It has 90% contain 90% water. So which contain various organic and inorganic substance. So crystallocolloidal means it contains both crystalloid molecules and colloidal molecules. The crystalloid molecules are smaller substances, ions, and the colloidal molecules are a larger component of the cytosol. This is a larger substance. Those substances are suspended in the solution. And next, we'll study about the organelle. The next portion in the cytosol, in the cytoplasm, we'll find different organelles. The organelles are highly organized subcellular protoplasmic structures. So these are the organelles are highly organized subcellular protoplasmic structure that have definite shape and function. We know different organelles like, so let me write few organelles: chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, peroxisome, glycosome, etc. So ribosome. So many organelles are found inside the cytoplasm. They are called cytoplasmic organelles. So these organelles are subcellular protoplasmic structure. They have definite shape and functions. And the third component of the cytoplasm are inclusions. So inclusions are non-living. So these are non-living, inorganic or organic substance. Both these inclusions include both inorganic and organic substance, and these inclusions are found in the cytoplasm and also in the cytoplasm, and these are substances are also found inside the vacuoles, and also it is found in the cell wall. So the examples of these inclusions are of three different types. These inclusions, three different types. The first one is the reserve products. The second is the secretory products, and the third is the excretory product. The reserve product includes carbohydrate, proteins, and nitrogenous products, fats and oils. These are the reserve products. And secretory products are pigments. So I write here the secretory products. Those are pigments, nectars, and enzymes. So these are the secretory product. And the excretory product includes various alkaloids, tannins, resins, gums, etc. These are the excretory substance of the cells, and these reserve products, secretory products, and excretory products comes under the cell inclusions. These are non-living inorganic substance. So this is so different portions of a typical plant cell. I hope this topic is understood by all. If you like this video, must subscribe my channel. Thanks.